What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome or welcome back. On today's episode, it's going to be a little bit different. We're not working on the FJ today. What we are working on is my new shop truck. And when I say my new shop truck, it's a 1994 F250. This is a truck that was in the family. It's an old family truck. So I've acquired it. Really just want to bring it back to life and get it. It's been sitting up. So anyway, it does run. I have the brakes. The rear brakes are off of it right now. I'm about to go pick up all of the brake components. They're in. And so I'm going to be doing front and rear brakes. Every component's going to be replaced on it. But on today's episode, I'm going to be replacing all of the bulbs for the headlights and the tail lights. And what that'll consist of on the tail lights is just the reverse lights, turn signals, and all of that. These bulbs were sent to me from AUXITO. They provided the bulbs, so thank you, AUXITO, for that. I was going to reach out to them and see if they would provide the bulbs, but they reached out to me before and asked if I would do another review, or asked if I wanted to do another review on some of their bulbs. I was like, absolutely. I told them what I had, and they sent these out. So we'll get into the packaging and I'll show you the bulbs they sent. And then I'm going to be going to get the brakes tonight. And first thing in the morning, I'm going to try to get some footage of the existing lights now, as they are now. All the bulbs work, so I'll do that first thing in the morning, and then I'll change them out from there. If you have any questions or comments during the video, just drop them below and I'll get to them. So here are the bulbs that AUXITO kindly sent out to me. These are LED. All of these are LED. All of them are plug and play. These are the headlights, or the bulbs for the headlights. You'll just stick those into the housing, twist them. You got the 3 prongs there, and then your plug there. Really nice. I know the ones that I got for the FJ were really bright, nice cutoff, really good cutoffs on them. No one flashing you and all. And then these are the tail or reverse lights there. They're just the clear. And then these red ones are for the turn signals and brake lights. Really nice. This is just gloves and a manual for these. So really awesome bulbs, but let's head over to the shop and we'll get them put in. So here is my new truck. I'll show you the rest of it here in a minute. I'm going to get in and turn the lights on and get some footage of the lights. Oh. Let's see here. I'm going to shut these other lights off. That interior light is so old. Oh my gosh. Look at the yellow. It's almost amber, which is kind of cool. I wish this was a 4-wheel drive. So here's the tail lights on it. And these are the original tail lights. Oh, that dinging is loud. This is the original headlights. That's on low beam. Man, the high beams are just a little brighter than the low beams. So that is, I'll do the turn signals too. I know these new lights are gonna be a lot brighter. I'm happy all the lights work on it. I think that's wild. So that is the before, and I'll have to wait till night to get the after. So here's the truck. I do have you can see the hubcap there. I just have it off now. Got a small ding. I'm gonna use fiberglass and fix this mirror. I have the rear, all the rear brakes, I have them apart. Just purchased complete rebuild for the rear and the front with the front hub assembly. So I'll be doing a little bit of work to this weekend. These are the running boards I took off of it. They ran there. But I was gonna do like my first vinyl wrap, try to do that. But once I washed it and degreased it, the paint's in really good condition. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do a 2-step paint correction on it. Let's get the 2 gas tanks. It's the long bed too, which would be great for a work truck. And I do see a leak underneath, but I'm gonna get it up on the rack, degrease everything, and try to pinpoint where everything's coming from. I haven't cleaned the engine bay, so I put this battery in, but everything else is original in here. I'm gonna go through it and start clean first, and then replace all hoses, belts. After I do the fluids, I'm gonna flush everything, and I will have to get over in the AC and actually go through it and replace, or I got to convert it and replace some stuff in it, so, and get it charged up. It was working a few years ago, but just sitting up for 5 years. But yeah, this is my new project for my shop truck, which I'm pretty excited about. I just got to get it functional to where I can drive it around and do a few things. But here, the interior is pretty clean. This is all original stuff. Cloth seats. I may get rid of the bench seat and try to get something a little more comfortable. But the dash, no cracks in the dash or anything, which is crazy. And I'm gonna get a head unit, which I'm gonna get a screen, a single DIN floating screen. So they've got some type of technology in here. But the headliner's good. Just gotta clean it up and tint the windows. And I'm gonna get a Wolf Box. Wolf Box is sending me the new Tri-Pro or whatever, and I'm gonna put it on my FJ, and the one I take off my FJ I'm gonna put in here so that I have a backup camera and a dash cam and all of that. So I have a little bit of technology, and it'll help me on hooking up the trailers. So all right, that's it for now. All right, so I'm gonna get these bulbs changed, and then tonight I'll get some footage on the comparison. Okay, so we're gonna install the headlights here, and I'm hoping you can see that And on this model, all you do is unplug it and then twist that and pull out the bulb. Pretty simple. And all we'll do is put the bulb in here. So I'll place the bulb in there and then take this collar and that locks it into place. And then just plug it back up. And that's it. Now I'll go to the other side and get it. Now we'll do the tail lights. So you just take those 4 screws out. And then you'll pop these out. Just and all we gotta do is unplug this bulb. And pop in the new bulb. And that's it. Now I'll put the screws in here and then go to the other side and change it. It is dark enough to see this. I'll get this turned on. I'm gonna get it set up and try to do a little better job than what I did earlier. Bright lights. Left blinker. That's old school, you can hear it blink. Right blinker. And now I'll get the headlights. Okay, lights on. That is low beam. That's high beam. Low beam, high beam. And I definitely have a dimmer switch going out. I gotta take a look at that. So as you can see from the before and after, it is a lot brighter now than it was before. These light bulbs are really good. AUXITO puts out a really good product. They stand by their product too, so if you have any trouble, just reach out to them. They got great customer service. I would like to thank them for sending me these bulbs. It really helped me out as far as just putting money into this work truck. It's starting to add up. But thank you, AUXITO, for sending those out. What I thought was the reverse lights, it was not them, but AUXITO, they did ship me some out, so thank you. But I want to go ahead and do this review for them and try to get it out. If you are in the market for any bulbs for your vehicles, you can use the link in the description, and it is my affiliate link, so I get a small commission, but you'll save 15% on their products. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so thank y'all, and until next time, stay trashy.